Uncle Mouse. We're gonna drop off our luggage and then find our friends.
Are you ready to get on this ship? Yes! We're here with all of our friends! Woo! We're just waiting for one more family and then we get to board, so I'm excited. First Disney cruise ever. This is awesome.
No, we gotta check in. Hello, check in straight ahead this way.
Thank you. Yeah, we're all checked in. Winner. Awesome. Alright, we are about ready to board.